Alright, so today we're going to do kind of the opposite of what I said we were going to be doing every week. We're going to be doing an uninstall. So we're going to uninstall the intake manifold on old blue right here. I actually have some more boxes, but I'm not going to do exactly what we've been doing for the last couple of months. I'm not going to unbox them until we take off the intake manifold. We're going to put some things on, we're going to fix some things, and then yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit of a pain. I don't think you want to sit and watch me struggle for like 10 hours. That's probably how long it's gonna take me, but as I take things off, I'll let you know what we're doing and then put things back on. So I guess let me get started. This is what we're gonna be taking off. Probably gonna take out the battery, take off, of course, the intercooler, take off all the intake, and then the intake manifold off. We're gonna try to move as much thing as possible. So we're gonna try to fix a couple of things, and then we're gonna actually try to upgrade a couple of things while we're here. And then what I'm probably gonna be doing, and I might just do it off camera so you're not seeing me struggle, is it's one of the first times I've ever done this before, so I'm just gonna label everything. I'm just gonna put like some blue painter's tape with some numbers and have everything labeled, so as I put everything back, I don't waste quadruple of time trying to figure out where everything went. So once I get something off, I'll recap what we did and then get back to you. Okay, so I'm back. So now what I've been able to take off is, as you can tell, I took off the battery here, I took off the snorkel here, the intake here, the hose here, I don't even know what to call it. I took off the intercooler, I took off the throttle body. I'm also kind of labeling everything, so that's why I see a bunch of blue tape everywhere, trying to keep track of what I have taken off and what I'm putting back on. So right now, as soon as I get a turkey baster in, I'm gonna remove the coolant, removed here, and then try to get all the bolts off the TGVs. I'm gonna try to take off the intake manifold and then take out the TGVs separate. But this is where I'm at so far, and I'll come back and get you a next update in a little bit. Right, so finally got the intake manifold off. Probably the biggest pain in the rear we've ever done. I tried taking out the intake manifold without taking out the TGVs, without taking out the fuel lines, without taking out everything. And I feel like I should have just done it the other way around, like everyone else does it. They just take off everything, the wire harness, the TGV, the fuel, everything, right? So whatever. So after we got the intake manifold off, we had to like tilt it almost vertically, and we didn't record this because we had 3 pairs of hands working on this, so nobody was even thinking about the camera. Everybody was thinking about how the hell do we get this damn intake manifold off, right? So we got it finally taken off. These fuel lines are beyond retarded, super annoying. Yeah, yeah, you know what you did. So yeah, so basically what we're gonna end up doing is, we showed a video a long time ago about some fuel line extensions. That's basically all we're gonna do today. We're gonna be ended up taking off the TGVs and then putting the filonic spacers and then installing them. But we wanted to do one separate video just for the intake manifold. So on the next video, you'll see us actually putting on the filonic spacers and then going backwards and putting on the intake manifold back on. So the filonic spacers should help us with some clearance and a slight reduction in heat transfer. The heat transfer from the block to the intake manifold, or to the TGVs and to the intake manifold, so we get some colder intake temperatures. So aside from that, we're going to show this on another video, but we're going to replace the feed line and the return line for the turbo. So I'm gonna take off this turbo inlet, take off the turbo, and take it out and completely replace all the lines, so that basically running safe. So yeah, I think that's all we're gonna do with this video today. I know it's probably very short, not what you were expecting, not an install, but it was an uninstall. Hopefully we have enough brains to put this all back together. That's why you see a lot of blue tape here. We actually labeled and numbered everything so we wouldn't lose everything. So yeah, let us know what you like. What I would say is a new video for sure every Friday. We're going to be working on this probably for some time. So another video when we're putting on the filonic spacers, another video with the feed lines, and then after that I'll give you a little sneak peek. We're going to put on the brackets for the heat shield from the turbo, the top bracket and the bottom bracket, and then yeah, we're probably just going to do just about that. So hopefully and not ramble on too long, and you continue watching the rest of this video and the next videos to come. But let us know what you think. Make sure you hit that like button, thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, too bad, you better like it anyway. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. And we have an Instagram page now, so go follow us on Instagram. We'll put a link somewhere
over there.
Yeah, wherever. But yeah, more to come. Thanks for watching.